It's time to meet Jaelyn, a senior criminal justice major. Jaelyn's story is one of discovery and dedication to pursuing justice. As a transfer student, she's quickly come to appreciate all that UAlbany has to offer, in addition to her #1 reason for landing here, the Cold Case Analysis Center. And here she is to tell us all about it. Take it away, Jaelyn.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. Last year started with the news that my previous college was shutting down. Of course, I was pretty disappointed to have to make a move, but after transferring to UAlbany, it didn't take long to feel embraced on campus. I joined dance groups, became a treasurer of an organization, and joined a pre-professional fraternity for criminal justice and related majors. One of the biggest reasons I chose to attend UAlbany was the Cold Case Analysis Center. Here, we work on real cases, partner with outside agencies, review confidential and technical information, create reports, and make recommendations to investigators. Most importantly, we honor victims and their stories, and we seek to bring closure to families. There's always someone who needs answers, or even just a different perspective, and we are here to respond to those needs with sympathy and devotion. Once I heard Cold Case was moving from my previous college to UAlbany, I knew I had to come here. But when I arrived, I learned the university offers so much more. UAlbany is an R1 top-tier research university, and there are many experiential learning opportunities on and off campus, including our complex crime mapping and analysis project. I am grateful that our research will be used to create a comprehensive crime database of missing persons and murder victims, with a focus on marginalized communities and Indigenous people. Attending UAlbany has allowed me to continue doing what I love while trying new things. Next semester, I'll be right back here earning a cybersecurity graduate certificate while applying to law schools. I'm excited for my future, and I have UAlbany to thank for that. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Jaelyn. Your story shows that even when you have to pivot in life, it can work out great. The university at Albany offers a wide range of opportunities to pursue your passions, get real-world experience, and expand your horizons. Best wishes on your pursuits. You're sure to go far.